During his visit to Poland, Prime Minister Modi paid tribute to India's historical connection by visiting two significant memorials. The first memorial, Good Maharaj Square in Warsaw, honors Maharaja Jam Sahib of Nawanagar, while the second memorial recognizes the kindness of the Maharaja of Kolhapur, who provided sanctuary to thousands of Polish refugees fleeing persecution during the Second World War, leading to the establishment of Polish settlements in India. In 1939, Poland was invaded by Germany, Slovakia and the Soviet Union, marking the beginning of the Second World War. Over 6 million Polish lives were lost. Those who survived were forcibly deported to the USSR, many of them women and children. The Polish government in exile then made efforts to evacuate families who were eventually transported to India. It was during this time Maharaja Jam Sahib Digvijay Singh Ji, Ranjit Singh Ji of Nawanagar made an offer of rehabilitating some of them in his kingdom.
जामनगर के महाराजा जो थे उन्होंने 5000 पोलिश बच्चों को यहाँ पे शरण दी थी जब 1941-42 के अंदर जब उनको डिपोर्ट किया गया था साइबेरिया। वो सारे मोस्टली आपके थे महिलाएं और बच्चे। उनको फिर बाद में ट्रांसपोर्ट किया गया वहाँ से वाया ईरान, और जो उनसे यूके में थे क्योंकि इंडिया में उस वक्त ब्रिटिश राज था, तो उन्होंने डिसाइड किया किस कंट्री में इनको रिफ्यूज मिल सकता है। तो जो पोलिश जनरल थे एंडर्स, उन्होंने बात की और महाराजा जी ने एक्सेप्ट किया, ठीक है 5000 बच्चों को वो शरण देंगे वहाँ पे।
The Maharaja was deeply affected by the plight of the children because of his interest in Polish culture, owing to his warm ties with Ignacy Paderewski, a Polish pianist and diplomat he had met in Switzerland. The Maharaja then raised more than 6 lakh rupees between 1942 and 1945 to build a refugee camp in Balachadi, Nawanagar. The camp housed more than 60 buildings, including a chapel, laundry rooms, a stage to hold Polish cultural programs, and a community center.
He made sure that they were fed, they were educated, and foremost, the Polish culture. They should remember that. So various things were also, arranged during their stay, so they remember the Polish culture. Today, we have around 10 to 15 those children of Maharaja still alive. Few of them are in Poland. Rest of them migrated to UK and to US after the Second World War. So each year they commemorate Maharaja ji in Poland. And for this also he is having a school after his name, square after his name.
Until the end of the war, more than 500 to 1,000 children lived in the camp in Balachadi. However, the brief stay forged a connection between the two cultures that remains strong even 7 decades later.